Kia ora, welcome to today's video where we are looking at the Morphe Jeffree Star palettes. I'm going to do something different today. I'm going to put my base on first. To start off with, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I've already moisturised and done all that. Oh. For foundation, I'm going to go in with Too Faced Peach Perfect. I'm a shade Porcelain, and I am white. So what I'm going to do is go in with a beauty sponge. Got a damp beauty sponge. Oh shit, that's a lot. Where's my mirror? Oh. Yep, like that. I'm gonna go and do my brows and I'll be right back. So we're back, we've got some brows on. They're not great, but they will do. I'm still yet to put powder on my face only because I'm going to cream contour. I just noticed some spots of mist with foundation. Right, for contour, I'm going to go in with Makeup Revolution's cream stick in shade F11. Now with this, all I'm going to do is a couple of lines around the perimeter, down there, down there, down there. Same brush that I was using before but didn't like. And we're getting some colour back in, yay! That's better. Now with the side of the nose, I actually use a different brush for that. I use the Real Techniques, what's this? This is the, it's called the Deluxe Crease brush, but I actually use it for buffing out nose contour. Just like that. And now I don't have such a big schnoz. Right. Beautiful. Let's set it so we can forget it. I'm going to do under the eyes first because I have more lines in a roadmap. Moving on. This has gone everywhere, I tell you. Oh my god. Don't breathe in. Oh, it's hot. Okay, getting on with this. Can't mess around all day. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to go in with, how do they do this on YouTube? I'm first going to go in with this green shade here called Nate. Just going to go in with Nate here, and then I'm going to buff it out with a bit of Wake and Bake. So I'll be taking that through with the JS9. The JS9. So just tapping a little bit on there. So all I'm going to do, pack it on. Don't worry about the the blending just yet. The good thing about this brush is if you pack it on with this brush, it starts to blend it out for you. Okay, so now we're going to start blending it. Just some little swirling motions. That's actually really good. I wouldn't expect anything less from Jeffree Star, but you know, you never know. Yeah, liking that. Just dipping into a little bit of wake and bake now, just to put around the very edges to diffuse it a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. So with that one, we're going to go in with just a normal little sort of buffing brush and buff it out. Now we are going to cut the crease just through here, and then we're going to be putting the fast lane on the inner corner, but I'm actually going to do that a little bit later. What I want to do now is kind of get that sort of far wake and bake and mix it with the Nate, and just stamp it in here a little bit. Again, building that green up. Awesome. So now what I'm going to do, cut the crease. There's a shimmer right here which is called Glam Rapids, which I really want to, I'm going to put on the lid. That's what I'm going to do. So in the inner corner, I'm going to go with rolls. Was it rolls with it? That's better. So over that Glam Rapids, I'm just going to take a little bit of the custom rims. That's better. Then with my little finger, gonna press into millions, which is something I don't have. Oh yeah, that's it. Now, I am seeing a little bit of fallout. Nothing too drastic. Lovely. Right, I'm going to go and do the other side off camera and I'll be right back. I think it's called a pencil smudger. I'm just going to take in fast lane on that tip of that and just just put it right there. Then go back in with that same blend, the same brush you had before. The JS9, I think it is. Yeah. Pull that up. Just like that. That's better. The final look with the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. Yeah, I like it. The greens are really pretty. They are super easy to blend. The colours are very pigmented. The black is the best black I've ever come across in makeup palettes. Just with the shimmers and the metallics wet. Just spray a bit of setting spray on them and they're great. The lashes, by the way, that I use are from the Makeup Shack in the style... Oh, okay, they're just called 3D Silk Lashes. They're actually really nice. They're super comfortable. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments.